welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to make a free YouTube thumbnail. So without further ado, let's open to the video. So first go to the link down in the description. So it would take you to Google Chrome and a website called Canva. Then you should make your profile. Then you I already have a profile. If you want, you can if you are making, you must make a profile. So after you make a profile, it would come to recommended, then go to social media, then find for YouTube thumbnail, then press it. When you press it, you would be taken to this. You would get a blank page and these things. If you want to make a video, make a thumbnail from this, for anything you can use, but I won't use any of this. So see, it would come when you press, but I won't use one of these. Yeah, if you want to make your own one, go to backgrounds, then backgrounds would come. You can search for a background if you want. I personally like these backgrounds. So see, I have used some, and these are all the results. So I would use this. See, this is from the earlier one. Delete it. Delete. So now you need text here. So text, then fonts would come. If you want a normal one, you just must type here, then would come. See, you press that, then you can type it inside. See, so you can move it around. Now if let's say you want like a font type of thing, so you can press this, then it would appear here. See, now you can type here. So now you can change the size, because this is too big. I can change it. You just need to press it here, then see. Now let's say you want this this word behind the other word, so right click it. First click outside. Then right click it, then send to back. See, now this came front. Now let's say you want to slant it. It's very easy to use. So then let's say you want a element here, then go to elements, then elements, and those things would come. If you want, you can search for one. So here are my recently used ones. Let's use this. So see, now it would appear. See, you can move it around. Now let's say you want it behind, same as the letter, send back. So see, now let's say you want to change the color of the font. You click that, then click this, then you can choose any color, and they show the colors of the background also. See there, you can choose any of these. Then now let's say you want a photo. You can choose the photos what are in this. You can search for one, or now if you want your own one, go to uploads, then upload media. So then go to device, press that. When you press, this would come, so then you can choose one of these. After you choose, press open. So after you press that, it would load. See, wait, I accidentally press cancel. So now let's say I want this, so I double clicked it, so now it would upload here. Wait, okay, see, it is uploading. Okay, now it upload. Now press it. See, now let's say this, you want this for the background, you can size it from this. Now if you want to send it back, right click, you want it behind everything, send backward, then send backward. Now you want it front, so right click it, bring front, again bring, that is send back, sorry, bring front. So see, so after you, okay guys, now I have made my design. So now if you want to download it, go to download, then you can choose your file type. There are lots of file types, so I would choose PNG, then download, preparing your design. So see, remove this. Now see, it is downloading. Now open when done. Okay guys, now after I downloaded it, I opened it. So see, this is the things we made. So if we want to look big, see, so that's all for today. So goodbye.